new LEGO Harry Potter sets have revealed for summer 2025. Hogwarts Castle, the main tower, comes with 2,135 pieces for $259.99. Build the largest, most detailed minifigure scale model yet of the main tower with this Wizarding World adventure. Comes with 12 minifigures, including Harry Potter, Hermione Granger, Neville Longbottom, Professor Kettleburn, Nearly Headless Nick, and Albus Dumbledore, plus Fluffy, Hedwig, and Hawkins figure. A trapdoor to escape from Fluffy's room, trigger activated Devil's Snares, flying key function, swiveling grand staircase up to Dumbledore's office, mirror of Frezid, and more. The flying keys in the wizard chest room in the rocky foundation of the castle are removable for easy play, and look out for 6 of 14 collectible Hogwarts portraits. Book Nook Hogwarts Express comes with 832 pieces for $99.99. Display in the Wizardly Way with a first ever LEGO Harry Potter Book Nook featuring a buildable Hogwarts Express locomotive and carriage. The set includes Harry Potter and Ron Weasley minifigures plus Hedwig and Scamper's figure, which can be placed inside the train. Build a section of the Hogwarts Express train and the iconic platform 9 3/4 at King's Crossing Station with Harry Potter, Ron, and their pets ready to board. Open the model for easy play on the platform using the side cutouts to access the train's interior. Close the model to fit neatly between books and split into create a book ends. Quality Quidditch supplies and ice cream parlor comes with 795 pieces for $99.99. Recreate magical Harry Potter scenes with the authentically detailed Lego brick model of Quietly Quidditch supplies and Florin Fortress's ice cream parlor. The Fantasy Adventure set features Florin Fortescue, Katie Bell, Alicia Spinnet, Ron Weasley, Cho Chang, and a shopkeeper. The shop features a floating broomstick function and it packed with a Quidditch equipment including a Slytherin uniform, Quilf, Blundered, Golden Snitch, and trophies. The building opens up for easy play and has a servant area and seating area on the upper level, plus an outdoor seating area and the ice cream stand. Thessel's family comes with a 548 pieces for $69.99. Open up the world of fantasy adventures with the first ever LEGO Harry Potter brick-built model of an adult Thessel and a baby Thessel. Each Thessel figure has a posable head, wings, and legs, and the adult Thessel has a large foldable fabric wings. Set offers a rewarding build, and Thessel figures have instantly recognizable details to inspire creative play. This Thessel set includes a small buildable tree to sport kids' imaginations as they recreate Harry Potter scenes with the magical creatures in the Forbidden Forest. Privet Drive Aunt Marge's Visit comes with 639 pieces for $89.99. Relive Aunt Marge's visits with her brother Vernon Dursley's home at 4 Privet Drive with this LEGO Harry Potter set. 5 LEGO minifigures, Marge Bursley, Vernon Dursley, Petunia Dursley, Dudley Dursley, and Harry Potter, plus an inflated Aunt Marge figure and Ripper the dog figure. The house has a controversy and opens out for easy access to kitchen and dining area with a removable dining table, living room, Dudley bedroom, and Harry Potter's bedroom. A secret door at the back of the house to the cupboards under the stairs, removable bars of Harry Potter's bedroom, the Privet Drive sign and lamppost, and more. Hogwarts Castle and Herbology class comes with 390 pieces for $49.99. Witches and Muggles roleplay as students learning how to nurture magical plants at Hogwarts Castle Herbology class. 3 LEGO Harry Potter minifigures include Neville Longbottom, Hermione Granger, and Professor Sprout minifigures with 2 sets of earmuff accessory elements, plus a Trevor the Toad figure. The buildable greenhouse opens up for easy play and features 2 removable tables covered with magical plants, a tree poking through a broken window, and the garden accessories. 3 large Harry Potter mandrake plants. The mandrake plant and pot elements were specifically designed for this set, and the minifigures can hold the mandrake by the leaves. Fox Dumbledore's Phoenix comes with 299 pieces for $22.99. Nurture the youngest passion for Harry Potter's adventure with this Lego brick built figure of Dumbledore's Phoenix Fox. Fox figure has a posable head, beak, wings, and grip and talons, and he can be placed on a buildable perch with ash elements underneath. This compact set offers a reward buildable for Harry Potter fans who are new to Lego building, and aesthetic authentication details to inspire creative play. The playful build and display set includes a brick-built sword hat and sword of Gryffindor, which Hawks can grip in the talons, plus a baby fox figure. Chompin' Monster Book of Monsters comes with 518 pieces for $59.99. Create a brick-built Chompin' Monster Book of Monsters with this fun Lego Harry Potter fantasy set. The book has hidden wheels and a pull-back function, so simply place it on a flat surface, pull back, let go, and watch the speed away with its mouth chomping as it goes. This set offers a fun building challenge for kids to create a furry detailed on the book cover in Lego style, plus its eyes, teeth, and fangs display the buildable book with a Neville Longbottom Lego minifigure holding the monster book of the monster's accessory element. Out of all these Harry Potter sets, which one of these Harry Potter sets you getting this summer?